Hey guys, I welcome you all to my Instagram channel, Curious Piyush, and I'm Piyush Modi. You are in my series of 21 days of business drawing. Let's start with day one, and today we will learn how to draw motivated and resistive way of working. Let's start. We'll first take how to draw motivated way of learning. For this, I'm taking a black pen, and yeah, you need paper and a black marker or a black pen, and that's enough. I'm using an iPad, but doesn't make a difference. Let's see first how to draw motivated way of working. For this, you have to draw a forward torso, an oval face, and then a hand in on the top with some effect showing energy, and then change your nib to a fine tip. I have changed my nib to a thin one. You can change it to a fine tip, and then draw eyes and a smiling face. To make it a 3D effect, take also a highlighter with you and give it some highlights, and I am giving it an highlight like this, something like this, and of course this and this. Now to show demotivated or resistive way of working, you have to draw a backward torso. So a backward torso, face here, and hands showing resistance, and draw this. Again, change your nib and make the face sad, and to give it a 3D effect, make it like this. Yeah, you need two more icons to make a full scene. You will need an arrow to make a road, and a goal sign. Let's see how we can draw that. To make an arrow, just draw two straight lines, and then two lines here, and in between a center dot, and connect this dot. To give it a feel of a road, just draw some thick divider lines. Yeah, and of course you can give it a 3D effect as well, so it goes here and here. How to make a goal? We will make a goal by showing it like a bow and arrow dart. You can make this by choosing red color. I'm choosing red color and a thick nib, so a circle, and then a circle outside, and then one more circle outside, and two stands here, and maybe an arrow here. So this is your goal. Now how to show this in a complete scene? Let me divide it here. Let's see how we can draw. I'm changing the nib. So if you have a team who is motivated to reach a goal, you can draw something like this, here, 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 and everyone is motivated. And then an arrow. Here is the I can delete a little bit. Yeah, and to show it as a goal, here is the goal. Yeah. I'm using a black pen now to show a goal, and you can give a little 3D effect as well here. Yeah, similarly, if you want to show demotivated team, then draw this and hands here, and this team is demotivated, and your arrow goes here, and similarly draw goal. and give some shades to make it 3D. Cool. So this is how you can show motivated and resistive way of working. This was day one. Join me again tomorrow for some more business scene which we can draw easily. Bye bye.